Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G22 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the Digital Wellbeing and Parental controls. Let's enter it. And as you can see, if you will turn on this option for the very first time, you will have to simply tap on Digital Wellbeing Tools and tap on the Show Data button probably. And after that, you will be directly transferred to this graph, and as you can see, here we can check for how long we've been using the device this day, so today, and I've been using it for 17 minutes. What's more, here you've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So here we've got two different ways to check some further details. So first of all, we can tap directly right in the center of the graph, and we will be transferred to the dashboard, thanks to which we can check for how long we've been using this device in particular days, because as you can see here, we can check the days of the week. And under it, you will have all the apps which you've used listed right here with concrete time. What's more, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. And now we can go back. As I said, we've got two different ways. So the second way to check some details is to tap directly on the app. So for example, as you can see, this graph is divided between the phone, settings, Play Store and Chrome. So let me check the settings, for example. Just tap on it, and as you can see, again, we've got the dashboard, but it is connected only with this particular app. Again, we can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. So let me get back, and basically this is how to check the total screen time. Under it, you've got some ways to disconnect. So we've got the dashboard, bedtime mode and focus mode, which are quite cool options if you need the time for yourself, you need to rest or just work. Then you can, for example, enter the focus mode, and as you can see, here you've got the list of all apps which you've got installed on this device. You can mark particular apps which you think that are the most distracting for you. So for example, from which you are receiving the most notifications. So for example, let me pick Chrome, and as you can see right now, you can set a schedule, so you can pick the days and also the hours in which your device will limit the notifications, and simply tap on turn on now. So that's quite a cool option. I highly recommend to use it. And under it, you've got some reduce interruptions options. So you've got the notifications and the not disturb mode, which are defaultly on this device. And if you'd like to enter the parental controls instead of the digital wellbeing, just scroll down, as you can see, to the very bottom, and here you've got this section. So actually, this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your MOTOROLA Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.